We all have ideas and opinions about what should happen in the world, but with some people, it's extremely difficult to have a civil conversation about what you feel or your opinions. If you live or work with difficult people, you may find yourself feeling very frustrated and angry a lot of time. However, it is possible to work with them if you understand what motivates their behavior underneath. In the field of mental health, we classify difficult people as having a personality disorder. Basically, that includes people with any kind of borderline personality disorder or narcissism, as well as many others. These people usually grow up in dysfunctional homes where they used their defense mechanisms as a format to cope with what was going on. They lack self-awareness, so that allows them, when they do something, to blame someone else. They never take responsibility for their actions because they're totally unaware of the consequences of what they do and say. If you're finding that you're gathering with friends and family after the election to talk about world issues, I have 4 suggestions that can help you avoid getting into an argument with a person that is difficult. The first of these, never argue with anyone who believes their own lies. People with this disorder, basically, they have self-talk going on all the time, telling them how great they are and why they're right and you're wrong. Secondly, don't expect anything pointless from this. There's no win-win in this kind of an argument. You're not going to enlighten anyone or encourage anyone. Basically, the person arguing with you, their self-esteem depends on them winning. And they do not want to be vulnerable, and they will do anything to win that argument. Thirdly, the best thing you can do is to stay calm. People who are difficult basically are very miserable people underneath, but they cover it with this feeling of being superior to everyone else. So if you stay calm, you're showing them that you won't be engaged or pulled into their misery. And lastly, try to distract yourself in your mind from what they're saying. Tune out. Go over game scores or go over birthdays or to-do lists, whatever you can not to engage. This will allow you to still be in the same room with them, but you won't be part of this argument. The most courageous thing you can do is to have the strength to dismiss yourself from an argument with a difficult person.